Today we'll talk about how can you add or change your name on your Magicplan app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down, click here on profile and account. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here in your profile. You click on profile and account, you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to user info, you just click on here, then you come to first name here, add your first name here. So if you have it, can you change it here, and here your last name. So then automatically it's going to add with you on your Magicplan app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.